Let me introduce you to the skilled life. There are 1.1 billion youth all over the world. So that's 18% of the global population. 60% of the jobs that would be available in the next 10 years, nobody knows what are those jobs. It's a very, very big problem to guide the youth what career paths to take. Should they go towards blockchain, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, quantum computing, data sciences, or what? Everybody has different background and it's very, very hard. Our software Skill Life is an analytics platform that would scan your CV and profiles and skills and will give you a quantified skilled score, like a credit score in America, like Experian, TransUnion, or some other company that would give you a credit score. So it will give you your skilled score. For example, your score is 89, you should be leading the country. Your score is 12, it would be very, very hard for you to find a job. And based on that, it will use machine learning, AI, and data sciences to give you your career path. That if you do these courses, or if you do this masters or bachelors, or if you took this path, it will enhance your score for future employability by that many percentage. So it will be a very, very quantified scoring tool based on your skills, your geography, your location, what are jobs available in the market, and where you can lead. It has a potential of reaching to like every single youth in the world and will help them in the sustainable development goals to find a better job and have a better life for living as well. So that's very, very brief about skill life, the quantified way to score your career skills. Thank you.